Hi, and welcome to How to Make Spiralized Squash with a homemade pesto sauce. For ingredients, you'll need garlic, ground pepper, olive oil, squash, basil, walnuts, and a cheese of your choice. We use Romano. You can also use Parmesan. Tools you'll need includes a spiralizer, a strainer, a pot and something to stir it with, a knife, a cutting board, and a food processor. We don't have a food processor, so instead we're using a NutriBullet. First, you'll want to combine all of your basil and 1/4 cup of walnuts into your food processor. Grind these into a smooth paste. Next, shred or finely slice your cheese. Add the cheese into the food processor with the walnut basil paste. Now blend until smooth. So far, your pesto should look like this, a smooth green paste. Slowly add olive oil into your food processor as you're mixing. This will create a smoother paste, easier to spread and use on your pasta. Next, have an adult help you to spiralize your squash. We use just one squash, but if you want more servings, you can use more than one. In the end, it should look like this. Next, place your spiralized squash in boiling water until it is soft and malleable. Always remember to face the handles of your pots inwards towards the stove so that you don't knock it over when you're walking past. We plated our pasta with the pasta spiralized squash on the bottom, pesto on the top, and a few extra halved walnuts on top. It tasted delicious, and I look forward to seeing your guys' creations.